Skipping out without paying the tariff. That is against the law, Slick.
Listen, I don't care if you guys are growing weed. I smoke pot. Unlawful incarceration is a major crime. You need to think about what you're doing.
Incarceration? You fucking lawyer. You gonna sue us, frog fucker?
What about that guy out there?
What guy out there?
That guy in the red tracksuit.
What fucking red tracksuit, Slick?
Listen, I can help you. What's it gonna take? How much? 100,000? 200,000? What do you want?
I got what I want.
Come here! Come here! Now take off your pants and your shoes. Now!
Yes.
You want a drink, darling?
Oh, merci.
Oh, oui, merci.
No, thank you.
Fucking said yes, thank you, now drink! You fucking...
You wanna fuck her?
Non, Rob, ne bouge pas.
Now, what was that?
She said she's 2 months pregnant. She's 2 months pregnant.
Is that right? You knocked her?
Yeah.
Making a difference to you? Yeah, well, Brett here, he ain't fussy. I don't think he's ever had a female human before.
You're fucking out, Jim?
Yeah. But you squirt your business in the dirt. I'm not going sloppy seconds. Shit.
What the fuck's going on here?
Well, Pa, we was something.
What's this?
Again, these two busted into the house.
That's not true.
Hey! What's she doing half naked?
And Brent and me was gonna fuck her. Thought it'd be all right.
Why aren't they tied up?
It's not going anywhere, Papa. I busted his leg. Look, have a look.
Where's Honky?
I mean, he found something to roll and he's fucking outside somewhere. He'll be back.
Hey, Pop. She's a friend's chick, and she, Jim. Get her to say something. Go on, Pop. Go on.
You ain't gonna run off on us, are you, baby? That'd be dangerous. You see, that dog of ours kind of has this thing about new blood. You haven't got your period coming, have you, baby? Honky'd have a goddamn party if you're on the rags. Dog like that, see? Once he chomps down and them big jaws lock on, you know what happens.
'Cause I can't have any more pop-up. I busted his leg. Look, have a look.
You're gonna You don't let up till the job's finished. You can't pry him off with a crowbar. I see you locked the shed to Sabo like I fucking told you. You know how that complicates things, don't you? Hey? Girl dick.
I didn't. Oh, no, please.
Shut.
I told him, shut the...
Oh, fucking shut up!
You see, I just been out to the back shed. And someone, maybe an intruder and his buck-naked missus, got in there like Goldilocks and turned the fucking sprinklers on. You got any idea what sort of investment's out there in the shed? Going all mouldy and fucking worthless! I'll see you inside, sunshine. We're gonna have a little fucking talk.
Fucking told him, shut the fucking door.
We'll work out what we're gonna do with him in the morning. Give me a drink. Honk, he'll be back in a minute. He likes to keep just outside the door. You want to be real careful going outside. Let's just forget about all the butt just gone down the fucking toilet. You know I've got prior convictions. I get picked up for this and I'm fucked. And if I'm fucked, you're double fucked. Because you two'll starve like a pair of orphan puppies. Wouldn't ya? Hey?
Yes, Poppy.
Oh, yeah, Bobby. Have a look at yous. Me two sons. Christ oh fucking mighty.
So what are we gonna do about it, Pop?
What do you fucking reckon?
You broke your leg.
Did they touch you? Did they touch you?
No.
Where are they?
In the house, but they'll be back. Your father's awake.
What are you doing?
Personal security.
What is that?
A surprise.